Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of skull anatomy. Our focus is on identifying the various bones that make up this intricate structure. So, let's get started. First, we have the mandible, which forms your jawbone. Then, there's the maxilla, a pair of bones that form the upper jaw and roof of your mouth. Moving upwards, we have the zygomatic bone in the cheek area. This is where your cheekbones are located. Next up are the frontal bones of your forehead and nasal bones that make up your nose. The temporal bone is situated behind your ear and forms part of your cheekbone as well as a part of your inner ear. Lastly, we have the occipital bone at the back of your head near your neck. That's a wrap on our quick overview of skull anatomy. I hope you found this informative and fun. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating facts about our bodies. Until next time.